Hey, what is up, you beautiful people? I'm Jant and I'm sitting in the beaches of Goa trying to create a video sales letter with ChatGPT. So let's get rolling. Well, what's really important when it comes to writing or creating something out of ChatGPT is how you talk to it. And most people just don't know how to ask the right question to the AI and hence they don't get the right answer. So here's the complete prompt. This is a one single prompt that I have used, that I have created to ask to ChatGPT. I'll write a little bit more. So this is a video sales letter, and the way I structured the prompt is I want to create an engaging video sales letter to invite the viewer to join Alpha Club. Alpha Club is a premium business mastermind program that enables coaches, consultants, and service providers build their own distribution, sales channels, and business systems so that they can grow their business hassle-free and take vacation that they deserve. All in all, any coaches and consultant need these 5 steps. This is our solution: positioning, offer, lead generation, sales, delivery systems, hiring the right people. And this is a little bit about us. So this is our story. We started with a 2 BHK flat, which is a small flat where we started our business. Right now we have a big office, taking vacations. And the reason why we are doing it, we have done this. And in the past 1 year, we have generated over 3 crores of business without spending a dime on ads. I'll also write web also built strong business systems so that it it runs on a semi autopilot and I get to dip my feet in the beach and without any worry. So that's there. In the last 1 year, we have generated over 3 crores of business without spending a dime on ads. The VSL should have the following outline. So I have to write the outline of the VSL, which is like highlight the major problem that coaches, consultants, and business, service providers face when it comes to growing on their business. Make it emotionally engaging. Talk about what are the methods to grow business out there and why they can't succeed unless they have a holistic knowledge of the business. How to grow your coaching and service using this 5 step process mentioned and why we are different. Some more case studies. I would actually let it be. CTA to book a call with us. This video should be, I would say, 10 to 15-minute long. Start with an emotionally engaging. So this is the keyword that I use. Hook that keeps them engaged and throughout the VSL. I'm shooting it near the beach, so do include how the target market can enjoy vacation. Make it active voice and first person singular. Make the VSL witty and funny. Right, and the voice of Sabri Subi. Add examples, and that's there. So let's just use this. Go to ChatGPT 4 because I love this, and try it. Right. Escape the grind and unleash your business potential. Join Alpha Club today. That's amazing about this view. It's not just the crystal clear water or the sandy beach that gives me an ultimate vacation vibe. It's the fact that I can be here enjoying this moment without constantly worrying about my business. What if I told you you could do the same? Stick with me for the next 10 to 15 minutes and I'll show you how. Let's get real for a second. As a coach, consultant, service provider, you're probably facing some major problems when it comes to growing your business. Late nights, endless stress, nagging, burning money on ads, and feeling that there must be a better way. You're not alone. Most people in your shoes are struggling to find the right positioning, generate leads, close sales, and streamline delivery and hire the right people. So, what do I do? Okay, so now there has to be a transition. The transition is not that great, but here's we have done this case study. This guy has given an example, so I'll probably add my own example. um, there are so many ways to grow a business. What makes your message so special? The truth is, unless you have a holistic understanding of business, most strategies fail flat. Sure, you can throw money at ads, hire a fancy PR firm, and attend every networking event under the sun, but without a right foundation and a solid plan, you'll just be spinning your wheel. Yes, but Alpha Club comes in. We have designed a premium business mastermind that focuses on these 5 crucial steps. So, steps. There's that. More case studies. Then there is a call to action. Right. Now, divide, recreate the VSL with time stamps. Alright, thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you on the other side enjoying the fruits of your business success while dipping your toes in sand. Just beautiful. Now, give me scene by scene description video to make it fun and engaging. Scene 1, introduction, location, beach near the shoreline, wide angle shoot, and the ocean in the background, waves at the camera, begin speaking enthusiastically as you describe the benefits. Walk towards the camera and create an engaging dynamic shot. Alright, so we have scene by scene description about how we are going to go about it. So there you go. I will just give it to my best guy Harry, who goes ahead and edits these videos, and we'll shoot it today. So let's see how it goes, and I hope you enjoyed this process of how we created a VSL using ChatGPT. Obviously this is not the final script, makes sense, because a lot of things have been missing, a lot of things need to be added. So what I will be doing is I will add my own zing to it. So the final VSL is obviously going to be different, but ChatGPT 4 definitely made my life a hell lot more easier. And let me know what you think in the comments, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.